Hello everyone, I am Ami Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law Legal. Currently I am also legal intern at Lexis and Company Law Firm. So my presentation topic is hierarchy of courts in India and justice system in India. So hierarchy of courts in India and justice system in India. In this presentation we are providing you knowledge about the hierarchy of Indian courts and justice system in India. So Supreme Court of India, High Courts, District and Session Court, Chief Judicial Magistrate and Judicial Magistrate First Class. So Supreme Court of India, Article 124 to 147 of the Constitution of India deals with the composition, function and jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India is the highest court of appeal and it has taken original jurisdiction. All the decisions which are taken by the Supreme Court of India is binding upon all the courts throughout India. In the matter of violation of fundamental rights, the Supreme Court of India has right to entertain the writ petition filed under Article 32, which is right to the right to constitutional remedies in our fundamental right. It is our fundamental right. Supreme Court of India comprises the Chief Justice and 33 other judges. Justice of the Supreme Court of India, including the Chief Justice of India, is appointed by the President of India. High Courts. There are at present 24 High Courts in India. In India, the oldest High Court is the Calcutta High Court, and which is established on 2 July 1862. President of India appoints judges of the High Court in consultation with the Chief Justice of India and Governor that particular state. The High Court has original civil and criminal jurisdiction. Writ jurisdiction is also an original jurisdiction of a High Court. Article 226 of the Constitution of India empowers High Court to issue writ petition. In India, only 3 High Courts have jurisdiction cover more than one state. Therefore, Bombay, Mumbai High Court, Guwahati High Court and Punjab and Haryana High Courts. The most important work of the High Court is to decide appeals from the lower court and to issue writs under Article 26 of the Constitution of India. District and Session Courts. District and Session Courts are established by the state governments. The District and Session Courts have jurisdiction over one or more districts. District Court administered by High Court. The District Court has appellate jurisdiction over all lower courts which are situated in the district. Subordinate court to district courts such as Chief Judicial Magistrate, Civil Judge Senior Division and Judicial Magistrate First Class, Civil Judge Junior Division and also Family Court, which is exclusively dealt with matrimonial matters. All the appeals from district court lie to High Court. Chief Judicial Magistrate CHSD, according to section 12 of the Criminal Procedure Code CRPC, in every district not being a metropolitan area, the High Court shall appoint a judicial magistrate of the first class to the Chief Judicial Magistrate. According to section 29 of the CRPC Criminal Procedure Code, the court of a Chief Judicial Magistrate may pass any sentence authorized by law except a sentence of death of imprisonment for life of imprisonment for a term exceeding 7 years. Judicial Magistrate First Class CJJD. According to section 11 of the CRPC, in every district not being a metropolitan area, there shall be established as many high courts of judicial magistrate of the first class and of the second class at such places, and as the state government may after consultation with the High Court. According to section 29 of Criminal Procedure Code CRPC, the court of a magistrate of the first class may pass a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or of fine not exceeding 10,000 rupees or both. So in this presentation we are study about hierarchy courts of India, like Supreme Court of India first, first second High Court, third District Court of Session Court, fourth Chief Judicial Magistrate and Judicial Magistrate First Class. So if you have any question related to this hierarchy of courts in India and Chief Justice system justice system in India, please mention in the comment box. And if you have any question related to this, please mention in the comment box and like this video and share this video and subscribe the Lexis and Company Law Firm channel. And this video is not for any kind of promotion, advertisement, etc. It is only for education purpose. Please, and if you have any feedback related to this video, please give feedback, and thank you and have a nice day.